In India, a heart attack is the one of the most common cause of death. A heart attack basically means that a blood vessel transporting blood to your heart get blocked. Due to this, your heart cannot get blood. There is oxygen deprivation, eventually leading to death. Earlier, this was seen in old people only, but now 30-year-olds suffer from heart attack. The reason was this are unhealthy diet, diabetes, rising cholesterol level, smoking, and simply not enough exercise. The lack of active lifestyle. It is important to know the symptoms of heart attack so that you can recognize the warnings. The main symptom is chest paining. It means a tightness in your chest, or you can say as if a heavy weight is put on chest. It may be accompanied by this uncomfort in the back, neck and jaw areas. You might also get cold sweat. It means uneasy sweating. Breathlessness. It means you cannot breathe properly. And overall uneasiness. If you and anyone in your family suffer these symptoms, don't delay. Don't assume that it is indigestion. Seek medical help immediately. It is often more difficult to detect heart attack in women because they don't suffer strong chest pain. They may suffer dizziness, nausea, shoulder pain and jaw pain. During the heart attack, to slow down blood clotting, aspirin may be given at 300 to 500 mg. Aspirin may be some additional time for the person if ambulance take time to arrive or to reach the hospital. You guys share this video so that people become aware. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such interesting updates and knowledgeable videos.